Hi guys, so on this new video I'm gonna show you how to fix Telegram problem. So first thing you wanna do is go into the settings on your phone, open the apps manager. When you open the apps now, or what you wanna do is actually very simple. Just wait a few seconds right here and then search for Telegram like that. Click on Telegram and click on Force Stop and then go to the notifications management. Disable the notifications and enable them back. Go back, click on data usage and disable all the options and only leave the Wi-Fi enabled. And if you are using the mobile data, then you may have to choose just mobile data. Anyway, I'm using the Wi-Fi, so I'm gonna keep it on Wi-Fi. Go back, click on storage, click on clear cache like that, and then click on manage space and restart your phone. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.